Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So this first DIY involves a cheesecloth. Now they're going to be making some of that restoration inspired artwork. We see this all over TikTok. I've seen it being done a couple of different ways. One with like the wrapping paper that you can get in like those Amazon boxes. I've also seen it being done with like sheets. So she's replicating this with some cheesecloth. Now it looks like this particular material is really easy to work with. Wow, what a cool design. It almost kind of looks like watercolor just draped on the canvas. Like it looks really beautiful. That came out great. What I bought versus how I styled it. So we got her hanging up some artwork, and this is kind of like that restoration artwork piece as well. And we got a side table, lots of candles, dining room table. That's beautiful. A white couch. You can tell that this person definitely does not have kids. She likes a lot of like neutral colors and items. And then we have a glam Halloween fall decor piece. Okay, so I like black and gold. You guys already know my obsession. So this is a really cool little piece here. You could put like a skull in the middle, like a crystallized skull, and that would be so freaking cool. Ooh, I love all the little gems. This is really pretty. And then we have some type of little like table tray here. Nice little glammed up table tray. Oh, she used the mirror disco stickers for that. That's really pretty. All right, so we have some type of like crate here. So of course she's sanding that down. And then adding some legs. So I guess she's making some type of table. Adding in the handle. Wow. Very cool entryway table design. Wow. That came out amazing. I like how she decorated it too. Everyone loves decorating with neutral colors. That's like a huge trend right now. And here's another Halloween slash fall DIY. Got a little ghost cutout. Paint. Oh, looks like she's making her own like greeting card. That's cute, creative. So for this next DIY, I have no guesses for what this person is making. Oh, wow. Oh, that is beautiful. So it's like a table tray, but it looks like stone. That is really cool. And then we have some cardboard here. Now this one, I think they're probably making a vase, if I had to guess. Oh, a oh no. It almost looks like a lantern. But no, I think it's a vase. I was gonna say a lantern, but definitely a vase, I think. Yeah. Wow, I can't believe that. Wow, that is really cool. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed my reactions to today's DIY projects. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.